Hi everyone, I'm Heather. Welcome to Strings and Threads, streaming to you from my dungeon of dreams. Join me in the magical world of crochet, knitting, and all things yarn. If you're a fellow yarn enthusiast, hit that subscribe button and become part of our creative journey. Let's dive into today's project. Welcome to Battle of the Stitches, May 2025, the reveal. I got all dressed up for the event. Actually, I really wanted to show what my project was. This month we did something called the Tall Alternate Stitch, and my project was a shawlette. And this is what the one I made is with sleeves. Shawlettes don't necessarily have sleeves. This can also be made in long sleeves. I have a tutorial for this that came out the same time as this video. I have it separate because I like to put my tutorials into playlists so that you can find them easier. But here's how the sleeves look, and here's how it looks in the back. These shawlettes don't have to be for dressy occasions. They can be for just having some kind of sleeves to put over something casual that you're wearing. So I just wanted to have an excuse to wear this dress because I haven't worn it in a really long time. We need your participation with this Battle of the Stitches. So I would love for you to look at all of the people who are competing together this month. I have them listed in my description. Watch their videos and see what they've made. And all of us are putting up voting polls. So you can look for the project that you like the best and vote for it on each of our stations. And if you wanted to be put into a chance for a giveaway for the item that gets the most votes, make sure you comment in the voting poll. When you vote, we see only the numbers. We don't know who did the votes. But if you place a comment, I'm going to use all of the people's names on each of the stations. If you put a comment on one of the other person's stations, I'll still see it and I'll put you in for the drawing. If you put it on mine, same thing. So just make sure you comment if you want to be involved in the giveaway, and join us next week for the live where we will reveal which item got the most votes and who the winner is of the giveaway. Have a great day. Bye.